Hey guys, I'm actually recording this after the fact, but I will be going to the beach today. So I have some couple of clips to show you about going to the beach today. It was a black sand beach because, you know, it's Hawaii and they have black sand beaches here. And it's really cool. So yeah, you guys will see that in all the clips.
Hello beautifuls, welcome back to this video. It's been a while. Oh my gosh, it's been a while. And I just wanted to say, as soon as I can get this video up, I will. Currently it's February 4th. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I don't know when this video is gonna be up, but this was recorded a while ago when I just went to the beach.
Perfect handprint, and I tried to mimic that, but it didn't work.
My movie maker wasn't working for the longest time. The song for my Christmas vlog it wasn't working, and it was working, and then it was out, but I'm sure glad that I can get my videos again. God, I'm so happy. God, I can't believe it. I'm so happy, too happy.
Alright guys, as you saw in those clips, I did go to the beach. That was my beach day, I guess you can call it. But yeah, it's not that awkward talking to a camera as I thought it would be. There we go. It's actually not that awkward, especially in front of family. Like, recording at the beach was really fun, even though I didn't get really good footage, I guess you could say. But yeah, that was pretty much it, and that was my beach day, so hope you guys liked it, and here you go.